Okay, students. Now, today we are doing with past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, these are the video notes. I am marking the sentences and the examples which you have to write in your notebook, as well as the exercise which I give you to write. Okay. Now, same document has already been provided to you in the PDF form. I will resend the PDF form once again if you want, but it has already been sent to you earlier. So just refer to the document and open this video. You can easily understand what past perfect tense is. It is nothing new, just the type of questions and the difficulty of questions that will be asked of you are going to be changed. Past perfect tense, like the name suggests, remember, the part that I'm underlying is also the part that you will write in your notebooks. The past perfect tense is used first to describe an action that was completed before another action took place. For example, ऐसी एक्शन जो कंप्लीट हो चुकी थी, जिसके पहले दूसरी एक्शन स्टार्ट हुई. यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल से एक सिंपल दिया गया है, ये अंडरलाइन किया है, तो जितना भी पार्ट में अंडरलाइन करूँ वो आपको लिख लेना है. एग्जाम्पल, द गर्ल्स हैड स्लेप्ट, एक्शन कंप्लीट हो गई थी. द गर्ल्स हैड स्लेप्ट बिफोर अनदर एक्शन टुक प्लेस. तो यहाँ पे बिफोर अनदर एक्शन टुक प्लेस कौन सी है? इट इज बिफोर ग्रैंडमा रिटर्न फ्रॉम द मार्केट. Similarly, past perfect tense is used as a past form of the present perfect. Especially we use this in indirect speech and direct speech. We also call it narration. I have underlined the important part. For example, Rita said, I have prepared a pudding. This is a direct speech wherein the speaker directly speaks. To convert this into indirect speech, we use past perfect tense. Rita said that she had been preparing. Rita said that she had prepared pudding. So this is indirect speech. No one is talking to each other directly. Rita is just saying what she has said. And finally, the third type of action or third type of condition where you use past perfect tenses to report a completed action in the past. Okay. Ajay told me that he had won a prize. So, Ajay told me that he had won a prize. Now, clearly this suggests the action was completed in the past. So, there are ways by which you can make sentences of past perfect tense and also questions related to past perfect tense, wherein हम कॉलम में से एक दो यूज कर सकते हैं, आई और वी, देन हैड के साथ यूज करना है, और फिर स्पोकन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड स्पोकन, यू हैड spoken, we had spoken. So these are the different ways in which you make sentences. So some further examples. These are important. Remember, you have to write this in your notebook. Examples. I had taken the newspaper. The action was in the past and had been completed. I had taken. Okay. Similarly, you had not taken the newspaper. They had spoken to me. Had she spoken to you? These are the question forms of the past tense. Had I spoken to you? The words are spoken in a hurry. Remember, All of these tenses are those tenses which we have already done in the past, and there is nothing new. It's just that the uh, complexity of sentences that will be used, they will be increasing from now on. Grammar remains essentially the same. So now we proceed to exercise G. I have provided you the PDF form of the exercise. You have to write it down. Now, answers have been provided, but you do not use the answers immediately. Make sure that you just write the question first without using the answer. After that, depending on your understanding, you enter the answers and then check when I give you the key. That is, when you have this key, that is, you refer the PDF book to see if you have done all the answers correctly. If you have any problem, you are required to contact me. This brings us to the end of the third part of past tense. You are supposed to do exercise. If you have not done, exercise D, G, and H. Okay, these are your exercises. And let me know if there is any query whatsoever. I am waiting for your queries, children. You are not asking means you have been too good at English. And if that is the case, I must be the happiest teacher of all. So keep working hard, and don't worry, we will get through this. All right? Good day.